He quit his job to adopt over 200 abandoned animals.
Although I had a stable job, I always had it in the back of my mind that this is not something that I would like to do till the end of my life. That is when the idea of Toluvam came in.
Naresh Akil is a true force for good hero, brought to you by the Better India and the Aditya Birla Group. Naresh grew up in Coimbatore and had a steady job, but something always felt missing. While working with NGOs and animal rescues, he kept noticing the same pattern. Pets bought out of excitement, then abandoned when they became difficult to care for. He couldn't ignore it anymore, so he chose to walk away from his IT job. In 2025, he quit and returned to Coimbatore to build Tholuvam, a 1.5-acre sanctuary built with over 60 lakh rupees of his own savings. He designed it in 5 sections, from reptiles to large mammals, so each animal gets the care it needs. It all started with just one buffalo.
People had a really hard time to believe what I'm doing. My friends, family, relatives, they still had a doubt that if this would work out or not. It's working out great. Our animals are happy. The kids who come in here are happy.
Today, it houses over 200 rescued animals across 35 species. More than 90% of them were abused or abandoned. But the real challenge is daily life here. 200 animals to feed, constant medical care, unpredictable weather, and animals that don't trust humans anymore. With a team of just 7, Naresh and his wife live here full time to care for them. But it's all worth it when they see a rescued dog that once avoided people now walking freely.
I'd call Toluvam as a success when there are no more abandoned animals on the streets. That is why we help people fall in love with animals. People who fall in love with animals will not abandon their own. That is where real change begins.